So we're going to be looking at the updates in Hastings from the 23rd of July, it was a few days ago. And they've got improved services, which is very good. So if we look at everything, it's mainly just more Sunday buses, evening buses, early morning buses, more frequent buses. Yeah, they're just getting huge improvement in East Sussex. They got funding, unlike Kent, which is getting loads of services removed. 304 and the 305 is getting rebranded to the 1066 since they go through Basel. That's going to be a nice and easy change, hopefully. And then the slightly annoying one is the 31 being extended to Harley Shoot by basically following the route of the 23, which is going to be really annoying since there's going to be loads of buses, 4 buses trying to loop around here. Yeah, I don't know whether I want to combine the 23 and the 31 into one route, just to make my life a lot easier, but you know, when you get to this part of the map, it makes sense that they're different. And then 22C, just a small bit of section of route up here, just needs removing. There's no evening buses that terminate there anymore, so I can just keep one of the colours here. I think I'll keep the colour of the 305, I like that. So just get rid of that. I'll mark them as black so I know to remove them correctly. Cut this. Move some of these routes around. It's nice and simple so far. Gotta adjust some of these routes. Yep, so we can get rid of that. Already removed the other one. Then up here, should be pretty simple. Just extending these, and then just doing all that. This makes no sense. Why don't I have that colour on here? And then that's going to go in there. So that's really nice and simple changes. Just renumber the 1066. So we get rid of that. Renumber, recolour those arrows. That's 1066. And then we'll just copy and paste this around. Need to adjust this bit. Yeah, we'll get rid of the inside one, just to be this one. Nice and easy. Delete that and that. Try and squeeze that number in. They only go in that direction in the morning, so that's where that arrow is there. That's the wrong colour again. And I said we're going to need to delete this bit because there's no evening buses that use that anymore. The 22C still exists for Sundays, but they don't terminate up here anymore in the evenings. All that, get rid of that, get rid of that. 23B still has this one random morning journey. It just creates a load of mess. And then I did notice that this is the wrong colour, so I need to fix that. And then I also missed out previously that the 349 also goes to the hospital once in the morning. So we'll add that, quickly adjust some of these. Yeah, that's that adjusted. So what I say, 95 on Saturdays, don't need to do anything about that. Done those two at the bottom, which were just fixes. Done the bit of the 22C. So now it's just what I want to do with this 31, which is going to be really annoying to deal with. It is just figuring out what I want to do with this. It's really annoying. I mean, with this other version, of course, I don't have all this clutter with the 22C and the 20. But even still, it's still annoying. And then I had to increase the radius of this curve as well. And it should be fine on the inside here. So yeah, on the inside, over to here at least, and then I think on the inside for this bit. The colour of the 31 is dark green. That's not looking too bad, but this is the easiest part. Yeah, actually, it should work for the inside. It's not too bad. Just push this out there. Yeah, go do something cool here and switch these around. Like if I did that, and then that. It's kind of weird for that. But then it fixes that up on the inside. And then it means that doesn't need to cross over itself. I think that could work. And then your need to be this colour since it's multiple routes doing that loop. And then need to readjust all these little routes. This is going to be a nightmare. And it is going to look horrible as a map. But well, I could potentially just bunch them all together as one. You know, using the fill, so it would just be like this. And it would just be one route. I don't think which wouldn't look too bad actually. We'll see what doing another route would look like. That works. Doesn't look terrible. Maybe it isn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, which is good. Right. I think I've managed to fit it in. Boom. Okay. That wasn't too bad. I think that's where the changes implemented. And then adding it into the routes with without any like deviations or anything, it should be nice and easy. And then next month, I'm also going to have to change it ever so slightly, because when there are changes to Ashford, the 2 between Tenterden and Ashford is getting withdrawn, and one of the morning ones on the 2 is operated from Hastings, which is a bit odd. So basically, there's a bus from the depot that starts at Silver Hill and then runs all the way up to Tenterden and starts at 2. But since it's just going to be a couple of school routes, I think Ashford are going to take over that. So yeah, so there'll be another couple of videos in next month and the month after, since Folkestone are also getting a load of changes. They're closing their depot in Folkestone, Stagecoach. I think that's almost it. There's one thing I needed to remember to do, which was just update these, because I still got the 334 on here. Even though it's not like an essential part of the map, it literally is just hiding in the corner, but you know. So I need to do that on both of these, but yeah. That is it for now. Another video in a couple of weeks when Ashford gets some stuff changed. Yeah, see ya.